What's going on, guys? Joel back with you for another video here on the Snap-on Tool Review. Today we are reviewing Snap-on's April 2018 Hot Tools Flyer. Let's do it. Alright everybody, let's get into it. As I said already, this is April 2018's Snap-on Hot Tools Flyer. Looks like they are finally introducing the 3/8 long neck 14.4 CTR 767 ratchet. So right on the front cover, it's going to come in 4 colors. I really like the orange. I should swap over my stuff all to orange. All right, shit. Okay, second page. So, well, I guess this would be the first page. Okay, so 6-inch extended neck makes the unreachable reachable. Sure, okay, yeah. CTR 767, 14.4 volt, 3/8 drive. This thing has neck for days, guys. I've been using it now for the last month or so, and it's pretty awesome. I'm actually really impressed with it. So whoever doesn't have one and they're thinking about not getting one or on the fence of getting one, just go ahead and do it. And I know we're going to see the price here in a minute, but beyond color, so you have, of course, red, orange, green, and high vis, and you can scan that thing there and it's going to give you all the information for it. And CTR 767, $553.95. Now this price is Canadian, full disclosure. Yeah, so I'm not sure what your guys' well, you know what, I'll put it up. I know what the price is on snapon.com, so I will put the price right here right now so you guys can see it. And this will come with a box. Mine came with a box, 2 batteries, and a charger. Okay, this isn't the dead body. This is actually the full kit. Fuck. All right. So again, this is brought to you by the wonderful screen recording on Apple. Sometimes it works flawless, sometimes it doesn't. So, beyond reach, delivering a max torque output of 40 foot-pounds and the strength to handle 158 foot-pounds of manual torque, which we've already seen. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but we have seen Snap-on reps already use their torque meter, and this thing is capable of more than 180 foot-pounds of manual torque. So don't be afraid. Don't be afraid of this thing. This thing will not break. I mean, it will, but you know, within reason. So of course you have your built-in LEDs and all that crap. We all know that. I'm going to be doing a full review on it anyway, so in the next couple days for everybody to see. So anyway, it's all here. So more information, talk to your franchisee, of course. And we got a couple new products here. You guys saw this on a Snap on Wednesday already. This is the 18 volt 3500 lumen cordless floodlight. This thing is built pretty solid. I really do like it. I don't know who needs a floodlight. I know I don't personally. I mean, a lot of people working on their garages at home, or, you know, poorly lit shops or whatever, working at home, doing brakes on a neighbor's car or whatever the case is, that, you know, these things are there. So, and then it works off the 18 volt batteries that you find in the big 3/8 gun and the big 1/2-inch drill and the 1/2-inch impact. So and among other things too. So another new product here that they're introducing is the 10-piece steel bearing and seal driver kit. This is a strikeable pry bar handle type deal with the detachable cones for your bearings and race drivers and all that kind of stuff. So you know, well, I guess that would be a race driver too, I suppose, right? who deals with race drivers anymore anyway, right? But Seal installer anyway. So, and we've already seen these. We saw this on the truck, $63.95. Again, these prices are Canadian, so all the way from medium to double XL. I will say that they are touch gloves, so touchscreen compatible. I just found that out today. Just actually using them, got a text message on my phone, and sure enough, it works. So obviously, it won't read your fingerprint. You know what? I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna try and get my glove to read the fingerprint of the glove. That would be cool. I've done it on the black gloves. Anyway, whatever. So they are $63.95, and these ones, I showed you the demo on this earlier. These things, they're super thin, and it has 2-inch impact absorbing D30 pads sewn internally on all fingers, and then the 4 millimeters into the padded section of the hand. And these things are pretty awesome. I really enjoy them. The only thing that Snap-on could have done was actually put the cuff here, put it on the inside of it like they used to, because I'm not really impressed with that. Well, that's just me though. I'm used to the cuff, the Velcro part of the cuff being on the inside, and it's just been screwing me over. So whatever. Of course, okay, so next page, 18.2 for your software is available, and we all know about software. It's kind of expensive. How many people do their software updates every 6 months? I'd love to know, because that gets expensive. A shop can do it, but goddamn. Anyway, we're not going to go into the software updates. So here's the BOGOs of the month. BOGO. I still can't get over that word. I fucking hate that word, BOGO. God damn. Anyway, buy either semi-deep socket set and get either ratchet. So you can buy any one of these 11 or 12 piece SAE or metric semi-deep sets, and you can either get the 3/8 extra long handled ratchet with no flex head, or you can get the 3/8 locking flex head ratchet for free. So not too bad. I mean, you are saving $177, $164. So another one here, buy the metric sockets and get the SAE sockets. I wish I would have had this deal when I bought mine, because these things are bloody expensive. This is the way you buy these sockets. And do not get me wrong, these sockets are amazing. They are awesome. I can't say enough good things about them. They're really, really good. So anyway, you can get the metric flank drive shallow flex socket set, and get the 6-piece. These are 3/8 by the way, 3/8. I have the 1/4 inch. God damn it, I should read. Anyway, yeah. So you buy the 6-piece 3/8 metric and get the 6.3/8 SAE. So not bad. Again, that's a savings of $341, guys. Buy a metric low profile ratchet socket set and get an SAE socket set. So you buy the low pro sockets with and these look like 12 points. Yeah, they are 12 point. Okay. 12 points with the shallow 3/8 ratchet, and you can get the SAE 12 points for free, which is a value of $182. Yeah, every single time you guys see these BOGO deals, and if you guys are in the market for these sockets, don't buy sockets. Just go onto the truck and buy a set of sockets. Wait till they come up. I mean, unless you honestly you absolutely need them. But anyway, next page. Limited time deals coming soon. I don't know if these deals should be out, right? It says coming soon right there in the top corner. Super Duty air hammer, $49.95. And you can take your pick. Well, okay, so hand tools or power tools. Okay. 6-piece interchangeable tip air hammer bit set for $220. They're on regular from $244, and the 6-piece air hammer bit set for $278. Regular $309. These bits, well, I can't point, but the ones that are with the big head on them, those things are fucking awesome. I have the long one. Never go back to anything else, man. Those things are just killer for doing ball joints and stuff like that. 22-piece punch and chisel set for $629, and that comes with the chisel holder and everything. And then the 11-piece punch set, which I have, for $258.95. Regular $287. Next page, torque wrenches. Sign up early, limited time deal. Sign up early. Someone just got to help me with that. Like, are these things not on sale or what? I don't know. So we're going from the torque wrenches. We are going from the 3/8 click type flex head all the way down to the 1/2 inch tech angle, 13 to 300 foot-pounds. 13 foot-pounds on a 1/2 inch. God damn. What bolt or nut? 13 foot-pounds. Jesus Christ, man. Just by pulling that thing, just by sneezing on it, you're gonna do 13 foot-pounds. Okay, anyway, so anywhere from $350.95 to $629.95, and that's the rest of the prices here. I'll kind of let's just go like this. All right, there you go. You guys can see all the prices. Next page, see more and do more. Make more. Scope with dual 8.5 millimeter imager, $589.95. So it's the big LCD screen, still image capture, included SD card storage. That's important. Includes the 36-inch digital imager with the 8.5 millimeter camera, the diameter head, touchscreen, which is nice too. Interface enables easy feature selection. Uses 6 AA batteries. This is where they get you. God damn, I don't know how many batteries this thing would go through. Yeah, well, you know what? To be honest with you, I have a camera, and I've only charged it once. So, but it has an internal battery in it. So, and it's pretty awesome. Includes storage tray, 2 years warranty through Snap-on repair centers. So $589.95. And then you can get the UV view imager, and this would be for aid in leak detection. So it has a UV light. I didn't even know they were making this, to be honest with you, but it's an extra $408 on top of your $589. Holy crap. Man, oh man. God, that's expensive, Snap-on. Come on. And so that you can use with BK 5600, 6500, and your 8000 video scopes. So anyway, it's just another add-on for you. Oh, God damn it. Okay. Come on. Jesus. Sorry, guys. Built to perform under pressure, the ultimate air compressor, any way you look at it. Deep finned head. That's what she said. Intercooler cools air between compression stages. Yeah. Okay. So, do we have to get into this? I think we've been into this already. 80 gallon, 30 gallon, 80 gallon. And there are no prices on them. So, sorry guys, no prices. But there's your part numbers, and you guys can look those up. And last but not least, here is the back of the flyer. Of course, your box of the month, 73-inch 15-drawer triple bank series with a roll cab with power drawer. God damn. In all the wonderful colors, and there are no prices, of course. So that is pretty much it, guys. All right, well, that was pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this month's Hot Tools flyer review. Again, lots of, there's some good deals in there, some not so much good deals in there. Obviously, the box of the month, that's the one. Those are the ones. Again, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to comment, like, share, subscribe, and you can always check me out on Patreon, Instagram, Facebook, and all that social media junk. And peace out, guys. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.
I'm a shade green, the only gun I need is